Welcome to MarineMax Kent Island. This is our Sea Ray 250 SDX. Right now we have a Mercury outboard engine, big swim platform here on the 250 SDX. Very large ski locker, and this is the configuration of this aft seat when it is kind of rolled to the front. And this is her in the forward configuration, facing forward. So kind of two different layouts here. What I love, you can choose if you are having more people in the cockpit here, or if all the action is kind of back on the swim platform. So as you come in the boat, Fusion remote headset, wave gate, as well as here's your battery switch on off. Very social cockpit, lots of seating for everybody's, lots of cup holders below, bow table goes in here, and then these seat backs push forward so you can open up even more seating. As you can see, this specific boat has the seagrass flooring, the infinity woven vinyl in gray. The other option is SeaDeck, but we option to go this one with the vinyl. Simrad, large upgraded 12-inch screen, Fusion audio headset, got the Sea Ray leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as your all-new Mercury binnacle. This boat has your bimini top, which also folds back and has a bimini boot that secures the rest of the bimini. And then forward, the 250 SDX is a portside walkthrough, so it opens up some space in the cabin. But what it also gives you is a very large bow seating area. So you have 3 in the front, 3 wide in the back, cup holders, and space to put your drinks down below. Your anchor locker is forward, as well as your nav lights, and this one has a 4-step bow ladder to get off at the beach. If you'd like to learn more about this boat, please give us a call. MarineMax Kent Island can be reached at 410-732-1260.